So when we have created our scaffolding, so Lara will create some layouts and template, and also it has create our controller for login and registration and authentication. So we can see in our views we have a layouts folder and app. So this is the layout, main layout for that is used by in a home. So you can see in the home we are extending our layouts. It is a main directory, and under that layouts we have a app file. So this app file is calling in our home layout. And so when we logged in, so this dashboard will be used. So we say we are not going to log in and not going to create a migration by user. But in the upcoming videos, or when you are following along with me, so you will find these things. And before, let's see our controller in app HTTP. So in controllers, so we have a auth controller folder that is created. So default is our controller, and it has created a login controller, a register controller, a reset password, and forget password controller. So we will use it in our authentications and registration and login. And one of this the main controller is that is created in scaffolding is a home controller. So this home controller is using the middleware auth, and which is the authentication for a authenticated user. This mm, controller will use the auth guard or auth middleware. So, and this is calling public function index and home file, which is in our view. If we see in our view, we have a home file. And when we go to our browser, so you can see when we hit our default local host, so we have a login. And this is a welcome screen with this file welcome is calling. And when you go to login, and the login file login, which is in also a views auth and login blade, so this file is calling. When we click on register, so we name, email address, password, confirm password. So this file is coming from this auth, and under auth we have a registered files. So definitely we will create our own or customize these things like login and registration. So so the main idea is to understand this scaffolding basic authentication that Laravel provides to us, and how we can play with that authentication.